Hello and thanks for watching. My name is Amy Corona and I am an environmental quality analyst with Michigan Department of Environment, Great Lakes and Energy's Solid Waste section. Today I am going to show you how to generate a quarterly solid waste surcharge report from Eagle's Solid Waste Authorization Program in Re-TRAC Connect. This analytic will be used to submit your surcharge payment each quarter. So to begin, what you're going to do is visit the ReTRAC Connect website. It is connect.re-trac.com, and you will log in using whatever login information you usually use to access the program and submit your surveys. Once you have logged in, you will see the homepage. You will scroll and look under Programs I've Joined, and you'll find the Michigan Solid Waste Authorization Program. You can go ahead and click that. You will then be taken to a page that displays all the members that you have joined the program with. You'll go ahead and click the member that you would like to generate this analytic for. Then you'll be taken to your workspace. Once you are in your workspace, you should verify that the site ID, the landfill facility form, and the applicable quarterly landfill report all say either completed or verified in order for this analytic to work properly. You'll see in this example, we have the quarter one report that is complete. If this were another quarter, obviously quarter 2, 3, or 4 would be completed or verified as well. So once these all look good, they all say completed or verified, you can go to the top of the page. You'll see that it says analytics up on this toolbar. You can go ahead and click that. This will take you to our analytics page, and you can see all the analytics that have been developed for your facility type. I would like to note in the future, there will also be an analytic developed for captive facilities, and they can access this the exact same way that non-captive facilities can, or any other facility type. You'll just click this analytics page at the top here and get to this. So what we're going to do next is go ahead and click this quarterly solid waste surcharge report. And this will take us to the page where we can generate it. You'll want to go ahead and make sure that the year is correct. You'll want to make sure you select the quarter that you are pulling this analytic for. So we'll go ahead and do quarter 1 for this example. Make sure that your member's listed here. And for the status bar, again, you already checked that your site ID, facility form, and your quarterly report were completed or verified, so you can just leave this blank. Once you've done that, go ahead and click Generate. And this will pull all your information for whichever quarter you specified. So again, this is just a test site, but you can see it has all the information here. If this looks good, you can go ahead and click Export PDF Report. You will need to do this in order to submit it to the cashier's office. So we'll go ahead and export that. And this is what it will look like. You can see on this top right-hand corner, it has the For Cashiers Use Only stamp area, so that will be used by them. It has all of your information for the quarter. At the bottom, it has a place for you to print your name, sign, and date. So you'll go ahead and physically print this out, print your name, sign, and date. And then there are instructions at the bottom as well for how to send your check or money order, who to email it to, etc. So let's see. Again, this is all you do to pull the analytic, and if you have any questions, you can go ahead and reach out to solid waste staff. Thank you, and have a great rest of your day.